Hey folks, it's Tina here, Tina the YouTube Guru. How much money will you make for 1 million views on YouTube? I'm going to show you in a few minutes how much money you can make by doing videos. But the most important thing, one of the most important things that you need to know or learn is SEO. That's important when it comes to people seeing and seeing your videos and getting your videos on Google front page and YouTube front page is the SEO. That counts for 75% of YouTube. But you have to learn it. Okay? You have to learn it. You can buy courses, whatever. Okay? But I put a product together that the link's going to be in the bio. Alright? And you check it out at the end of this video. Okay? But let me show you how much money you can make with 1 million views. It's estimate revenue because they do take fees out of your payment. Your estimate revenue is $3,706 for 1 million views. Now folks, like I've been stating, 1 million views is not hard to get, okay? Matter of fact, I got 138,000 on one video, alright? And I got 50,000, here and there. But 1 million total views will make you $3,706, folks. It's not going to happen overnight unless you get one video that really takes off and you do the SEO correctly. Okay? So, let me show you the video that got me 138,000 views, and it's not even my video. You won't even see my face on this video or even hear my voice. And it's that simple to do. Now watch. Do you remember this commercial, folks? $132,593 views on this video, folks. So if I can do this, so can't you. But remember, I made a product that can help you learn SEO and a lot more. All you have to do is go to Rank to Riches. The link will be in the description below. Click on that link and check it out, folks. You will learn SEO for YouTube. Thanks for watching.